Hello students, we see in the 2.1 the destruction of democracy. How the democracy was removed from Germany. On 30th January 1933, President Hindenburg offered the chancellorship, that was the highest position in the cabinet of ministers, to Hitler. So this is how Hitler became Chancellor of Germany, and now the entire nation came under control of Hitler. He dismantled structure of democratic rule. Hitler wanted dictatorship. That is why he was in the establishment of his own Nazi party, which was already powerful in the Reichstag, that is the German parliament, and here he was moving towards his goal. So he was trying to change all the democratic rules into the dictatorship. And in the month of February, there was a mysterious fire in Reichstag, in the parliament, and where all the necessary documents were burnt. And after this fire, this mysterious fire in the parliament, in the Reichstag, Hitler had announced a fire decree suspending civic rights. So all the rights, whatever the people had, Hitler suspended. Hitler did not allow the people to have the basic rights such as freedom of speech, press, freedom to gather, etc. All these, whatever the freedoms were given, the basic rights were given by the Weimar Constitution, all were taken away by the fire decree of Hitler. Further, we see the communists sent to concentration camps. So the people, as we know, that Hitler was not in favor of other people who existed in Germany. Therefore, he wanted to send those people to the concentration camps and kill them. So those who belonged to these communist group were sent to the concentration camps, and further he passed Enabling Act and established his dictatorship. Actually, this Enabling Act was passed on 3rd March 1933, and through this, Hitler established his dictatorship officially in Germany. Now everything, all the powers were in the hands of Hitler, that Hitler would rule by decree. Hitler will make the rules for all the requirements, all the needs, all the functioning of the nation. And further we see that these ASO, Gestapo, SDSS controlled and ordered society as per Nazi ideology. Who were these people and who were these groups? In Germany already There was a police in green uniform, and the SA or the storm troopers. These included Gestapo, secret state police, and the SS, the protection squads, criminal police, and the security service, that was SD. All these different police institutions were established who controlled, who ordered the society to live as per the Nazi ideology. Thank you and have a nice day.